What if I tell you that you can delete files on your phone without actually deleting them? Sounds impossible, right? But your Android phone has hidden tricks most people don't know about. Let me show you. Sometimes you don't want to delete files forever. Maybe they're private. Maybe you don't want friends or kids seeing them. Or maybe you're just scared of losing something important. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to make files disappear without really deleting them. Method 1. Hide files using File Manager or Google Photos. Using File Manager, open Files by Google. Scroll down to Safe Folder. Android uses a security feature that blocks screen recording and screenshots on password screens. So you won't see this part, but just set your PIN or pattern and continue. Now go to Video or any other folder and locate the file you want to hide. Now click on these 3 dots and click on Save to Safe Folder. Now input the PIN or pattern that you set up earlier. Once you are done, the file will be moved to the safe folder like you can see on the screen. To access your hidden file, go back and open Safe Folder. Next under this method is using Google Photos. The reason I like this method with Google Photos is because it's not obvious. Most people won't even know the folder exists. To do this, open your Google Photos app. Go to Collections. Now scroll all the way down until you see Locked Folder or Locked. Open it and set up your passcode or use your device lock option. Once you are done, go back and look for any file that you want to lock. For example, this thumbnail. Open the folder. Select the file or files. Click on these 3 dots. Now click on Move to Locked Folder. Tap on Continue and then to Move. Once it's moved here, it won't show up in your normal files anymore and can only be seen in your locked folder. Method 2. The dot trick. Now this second method feels like a secret hack. Go to your File Manager. Find the folder you want to hide. Rename the folder and add a dot at the beginning. For example, change Francis to .francis. Once you do that, the folder disappears. It won't show in your gallery anymore. To see it again, go back to the File Manager. Click on the 3 dots right here and go Settings. Turn on Show Hidden Files. The folder appears back. Simple, clean, and no app needed. Method 3. Delete locally and keep online. The third method is cloud backup. Upload your files to Google Drive or any cloud storage. Open your Google Drive. Tap on this plus icon. Now click on Upload to add files. And select the file you want to add. You can also select multiple files. Once you are done selecting, click on Select. Review your upload and the account it's been uploaded to, and upload. If it is not uploading due to Wi-Fi, change it in the settings. After uploading, delete the files from your phone. Your storage is free, but your files are still safe online. This is perfect for photos and videos you don't need every day. Quick warning, hidden does not mean encrypted. If someone knows what they're doing, they can still find hidden files. Always remember your passwords and back up important files before hiding or deleting anything. Now you know how to delete files without really deleting them. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more simple phone tips like this. And comment below, what phone are you using? Thanks for watching.